Yo, what's up, you guys, man? This is day two of just being consistent in the stock market and just consistently coming on YouTube and sharing my life updates. So, first and foremost, today was the first day for my son going to big boy school. He went to kindergarten today, y'all. It was crazy. He didn't even cry. He didn't even look back when he got out the car, man. I was like, man, that's a stand up guy. And kind of had me emotional a little bit, but I said, man, I done taught him everything I know already. So he's gonna be doing amazing. So that was that. And then just had a crazy day, a whole bunch of clients, about 45 to 47 clients today. But to the stock market, I did not get in the stock market today. I did not buy anything. Today, I just told myself that I was gonna take the time to really learn. Like when I first got into the stock market, it was just like boom, boom, boom. I'm a trade. I need to trade FOMO, failure of missing out. That's how I was trading. That's what I was doing. I would pull over to the side of the road, making a $10,000 option, $5,000 option here. And that's how I lost 90,000 in just 120 days. But this time go around, I'm gonna really focus on studying the craft, knowing exactly what's my right setups. So today I spent my time looking at market structure, how the market is structured, and how to point out trends. So a upward trend, a high trend, a low trend, seeing what it looks like. Most of the time, I look at, if I'm not mistaken, I look at my charts on like a 7 day span or like a daily span. But I never went down to like the 15-minute candlesticks or the 5 minute candlesticks. We even went down to the 1 minute candlesticks today. And it gave me a better understanding that what's going on the big chart is also going on the little chart at a smaller rate, at a faster rate, but it's the same trend lines, external trend lines. I mean, external structure, internal structure, main structure. Um, those are some of the things that I learned today. And it was great to just sit back in the market. The market didn't do well today. And some days you're gonna have days where the market don't do well. But I'm still okay because I didn't lose any money. Not no money I cared about. I didn't lose any money. My stock went down probably like a tenth of a cent or 1 cent or something like that. I'm cool with that. My goal this round is to learn how to properly trade and be profitable. I just don't want to be one of the ones I be trading. I just and then you end up breaking even. I don't want to gamble. I want to be a true investor. So I'm investing for long term. The ROK is for NOK is for a long term investment. And that's something that I want to just keep stacking up on. And then I'll look back and I got 1,000 of them. Apple is one of those stocks. So really focus on what it is that you want to accomplish. You should have you should have objectives. So one of your objectives should be long term. One of your objectives should be short term if you want to go there, like a swing trade, and then you could do some options also. So it all depends on how you want to trade. I want to do all three. So I'm currently buying stocks for my son. I'm buying stocks for myself. I have not put in an option trade. Um, I want to go with more bigger leaps, like 6 months, 12 months, even 3 months. I want to go down that structure, but I have to learn the market again. I just got back in the stock market after 3 years of not being in the stock market. So I just want to learn the structure more, so that this time when I come in, I don't have to worry about doing what I did last time. I know a lot about the stock market, but there's never enough fundamentals. The fundamentals is what makes you good. The small details. Like I wanted to go to bed tonight, but I had to watch an hour and 30 minutes of market structure, how to do this and how to do that, looking at the higher highs, the lower lows. I'm like, oh, okay, this is how you draw your trend line. And the reason why I wasn't winning was because I wasn't drawing a trend line. I just said, oh, this what they talking about, and then I put my bet in. So if I didn't learn anything today, the one thing that I learned is market structure. Knowing how to draw that out on a chart, whether that's a daily chart, um, a 4-hour chart, 15-minute chart, 5-hour chart. They're all the same charts. They're just zoomed in. So I'm very proud of myself, and I'm proud of myself for um, just studying the market today. Like, I didn't really look at too many stocks today. I just looked at. I did see. I got my list of stocks from Start Charts. Stockcharts.com of my list of stocks and what happened today, and looked like a whole bunch of red happened. Um, but I just studied the structure of the market. So if you're on your journey with me, just go study the chart. Study the chart and look for market structure. I'm learning from my boy Chris Jackson, Options 101, and I just want to document the journey, y'all. So y'all will see me document this journey. Let's get it, man. 5 to 7 minute clips of my daily. Let's go.